Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing something special. I'm trying to improve my audio and my recording, so I got this set for my videos. So I got a proper mic. I used to use just the one that you stick on your a lapel. It was really cheap, less than it's like around 10 bucks. So I upgraded to this. I did a lot of research, and this seemed to be a decent brand for the price. So I picked this. I watched a lot of videos and looked at Reddit, and they advised to get this one. So this is the Audio Technica ATR 2500X USB. I don't like a lot of frills on my gadgets, and I like something that's plug and play and easy to use. That's why I got this. And then I got a pop filter, an accessory for the mic, by AOKO, and then this one is a stand. So these are all like mic sets. So this one comes with a suspender thing. It's a thing that holds your mic with I forgot what it's called, but it's to make your thing stable, your mic stable. And then I got a stand. This is a stand for the mic. So we're going to be recording a lot of audio, so I really needed to invest in something that would be helpful in the long run. This one is another filter. It's similar to this one. This is just a little bit more quality. This just came in with the set, but we probably will be using this as well. It's good to have a backup. This set came with a stand. There's a mic holder here. A stand. Sorry for the noise. So I thought this was made of metal. It's actually not made of metal. I don't know if it's going to be an issue, but this is made of plastic. So let's see how it works. There is no instruction in the box, so I would just have to figure out how to use this. It came with this cord holder. It has so this is just another accessory. Oh, I don't know what that's for, but that's for the stand. Let's check out this Audio Technica mic. This is the main part. So let's see here. So here is the mic. Oh, that's heavy. So I don't know if my plastic stand will be good enough for this. This is pretty heavy, which is a good sign. There's a mic holder. Comes with a bunch of cords. As you can see here, it advertised the cords here, USB and USB-C, so that is nice that it came with a bunch of cords. I'm going to be keeping this box to hold the mic. It came with some quick start guide, and what is this? And this thing. Oh, this is the stand. So that's why I got a stand, because I know it would come with like a flimsy plastic stand that's not really, I don't know how to open this. Okay, so this is pretty convenient, but it's plastic and it's kind of short, so you can carry this if you're going somewhere, you can put it in your bag, but I would prefer a more stable stand. That's why I got an extra stand. And there is another extra cord, so I'm going to show you all the cords that it came with. So this is the USB-C, USB-A, and this is USB-C, USB-C. So that's all for this Audio Technica mic. And then the last item we're unboxing is this pop filter. So this came with a warranty card, a manual, and this is pretty big. It came with this rubber thing thingamajig. I'm gonna read the instruction how to use this. I'm not really sure how to use it, but I think you're supposed to like insert your mic like this, and it's gonna hold your mic, and then there's this thing that would hold your mic. So let's try that. Let me see here. Okay, so there. And then you got an extra rubber band here. So I'm just really guessing how to use this, but there we go. So it's gonna hold the mic. I'll figure out later, but that is our unboxing for today. So probably in the next video I'd be using this mic, and maybe you will notice the difference. But for now, that's our unboxing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.